Hello friends in the Anatomy and Physiology class. This is Hassan Nafid, the Anatomy and Physiology instructor. Welcome back again to the class. We will continue talking about the kidneys, the nephrons, and the structure and function of the nephron. This time we're going to talk about the nephron and the glomerulus as one unit that works together to filter the components of the urine. Okay, this is a model that shows you the nephron, the glomerulus here. This is one glomerulus and this is another one, and it also shows you the nephron, the 3 or 4 parts of the nephron. Taking a look at it again, as we said here, this is one nephron. This is a branch of our cortical artery, cortical radiate artery here, and this is a branch of the afferent arterioles and afferent venules. It's going to form the glomerulus right here. This is a tuft of capillary forming the glomerulus, and this is the capsule or the Bowman capsule. The whole thing is known as the renal corpuscles, right? So also here, the green structure that you see, this is a proximal convoluted tubule. It's coiled, and it is the largest one, and it goes down to give you the loop, or what's known as the loop of Henle. There is descending and ascending loop of Henle, which is joined finally by the proximal convoluted tubules, and finally it's joined by the collecting duct. The white structure is the collecting duct. So again, these are the branches of the renal arteries, which are the cortical radiates. Gives you the branches of the afferent arterioles, glomerulus, proximal convoluted tubules, descending loop of Henle, ascending loop of Henle, proximal distal convoluted tubules, and the collecting duct. Taking a look at the glomerulus here, this is a glomerulus, magnified of course. What you see here is your capsular epithelium. Let me put it a little closer to you so you can look at it better. What you see, the white layer, is your capsular, what you call it, parietal epithelium. This is your podocytes or the visceral epithelium. Here you see the branches of the afferent arterioles, and it forms the glomerulus, which is a tuft of capillaries, as we said here. You see it inside. All right. If you notice also, the two ends of the afferent arterioles are different. This is the afferent. Take a look at it here. This is the afferent. I'm going to bring it a little closer to you. The afferent tend to be thicker. If I put it in a little closer picture, if you pay attention to the diameter, the afferent are wider, and this is the one that brings blood, so we need more blood flow, while the afferent in the other side is tighter, and that's to allow kind of form as a valve or a tight area, which allow more time and gives more pressure for filtration power of the glomerulus. All right. Also, here you see the upper end of the proximal convoluted tubule. So this is the beginning of the proximal convoluted tubules, and that's exactly what you see here on the glomerulus. So on the glomerulus, as you see, you got the glomerulus and the beginning of the proximal convoluted tubules. I wanted to thank you again for watching this video, and I will meet you in another video in our sessions of anatomy and physiology. Thank you so much.